Welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply. Today we're discussing the best types of lighting for each room in your home. The right lighting can enhance the ambience, functionality, and aesthetic appeal of your spaces. Let's dive in and explore how to illuminate your home beautifully and effectively. Starting with the entryway, this space sets the tone for your entire home. A statement chandelier or a stylish pendant light can create a welcoming atmosphere. Consider adding wall sconces to provide additional light and highlight artwork or architectural features. The goal here is to create a warm and inviting first impression. Moving into the living room, this is where you'll want layered lighting to accommodate various activities, from reading to entertaining. Start with a central fixture like a chandelier or ceiling fan with lights for general illumination. Add table lamps or floor lamps for task lighting, perfect for reading or working. Consider accent lighting, such as picture lights or track lighting, to highlight artwork or architectural details. In the dining room, a chandelier or pendant light centered over the table is a classic choice. It provides focused light for dining while adding elegance to the space. Ensure the fixture is on a dimmer switch, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit the mood, from intimate dinners to lively gatherings. For the kitchen, functionality is key. Bright, even lighting is essential for meal preparation and cooking. Recessed ceiling lights provide general illumination, while under-cabinet lights brighten countertops and work areas. Pendant lights over an island or breakfast bar add style and focused task lighting. In the bedroom, aim for a relaxing and cozy atmosphere. A ceiling fixture provides general lighting, while bedside lamps offer task lighting for reading. Consider wall-mounted sconces to free up nightstand space. A dimmer switch allows you to adjust the light levels, creating a soothing environment for winding down. The bathroom requires bright, even lighting for grooming and daily routines. Recessed lights or a central ceiling fixture provide general illumination, while vanity lights above or beside the mirror eliminate shadows for tasks like shaving or applying makeup. Ensure the fixtures are rated for damp environments to withstand moisture. In the home office, proper lighting boosts productivity and reduces eye strain. A combination of overhead lighting and task lighting, such as a desk lamp with adjustable brightness, is ideal. Consider placing your desk near a window to take advantage of natural light during the day. Finally, in the outdoor areas, lighting enhances safety and aesthetics. Wall sconces or lanterns flanking your front door create a welcoming entry. Pathway lights illuminate walkways, while spotlights or string lights add ambience to patios or decks, making outdoor spaces usable after dark. Choosing the right lighting for each room enhances your home's functionality and style, creating spaces that are both beautiful and practical. At Antique Hardware Supply, we offer a wide selection of lighting fixtures to suit every room and taste. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design and lighting tips. Share your lighting preferences or questions in the comments below. See you next time.